What's going on, boys? This is going to be the part 2 to the install. So now that we got the throttle body spacer on, we are going to be installing the Grimspeed pulley cover. Pulley cover is going to be going right here, like so. The car, I know the engine bay is dirty. It's just I really don't want to go out and wash the engine bay without actually washing the car. So for now, we're just going to install it. Next weekend, I'm going to be washing the car. We actually got more installs for next week as well. So with that being said, let's get started on that. I know for sure the one pulley cover, it got ate up, it loosened up, and then my belt chewed it up. So I only have this one, so now we're gonna be taking this off. And then from there, I will show you that this comes with a little adapter. And I know it does go like something like that, if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna get that installed. All right, boys, so once you have that off, you're gonna have like this little adapter plate. So this plate's gonna go on right here. I wanna say like so. And then or does it, oh no, like so. Like that. And then this little piece is gonna clip into there. And then after that, I will show you what to do next. So let's go. All right, boys, so you got the little clip in right here. You got this clip, and then you use one of the existing bolts. The only thing I did was I zip tied this because I didn't like how close it was to this. And this is for the mass airflow sensor. So I think that that's a big deal. So with that being said, now we're ready to go. So now you're gonna get the longest spacer and the longest bolt. And you are going to do such. You're gonna feed the spacer in first and then put the bolt down through the hole. So with that being said, like, let me get this on and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, boys, so from there, all you do is just put the spacer. You could see it, you can't really see it, but it's literally right in back of the speed. You put the spacer, you tighten it up, spacer, you tighten it up, and then now it's all done. I mean, the only thing is I really don't like this. I mean, it brushes off. So whatever this is, I think it's a chemical. I want to say it might be degreaser, but I'm not 100% too sure. But it just comes off unless it's the coating from the material itself. But I mean, it's from everything, so I don't know if the engine bay is getting hot or something got on it, but it's everything. Like, you could even see it's coming off of that over there. So maybe it's getting too hot under here is the only thing I could think of. I'm not too sure. Maybe it's the clear coat coming off, but then again, I don't know because it's flaking off, and I don't think clear coat does that. So I'm assuming something got baked onto it. I'm not too sure, because I mean, if that's the case though, the P would be coming off and everything like that, which it's not. And like all the writing, so I'm not too sure. But other than that, that's what it looks like, boys. So yeah, so that was pretty much the install. Short little install, nothing too crazy. So let's go. All right, boys, so that was pretty much a wrap for the installs. I mean, engine bay is starting to look really good. I'm super stoked. And then we got some more red stuff that's going to be getting added into the engine bay itself, so that's going to be super fun. I'm super excited for that. So yeah, well, till next time, guys, I hope you guys keep liking and subscribing to my videos. You know, slowly and surely we're starting to upload more, doing a lot more installs, minor installs. But yeah, so let's go.